Hey Planter friends, welcome back to another new video. Today we're gonna go plant shopping at Lowe's and see what they have in stock. I'm super excited. Let's do like a little late night plant shopping. So yeah, if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is David and this channel we do a lot of plenty content. So if you seem to enjoy that, consider joining us in this crazy plenty journey by tapping the subscribe button down below and let's go plant shopping. Okay, they have a lot of plants inside, but I want to show you guys what they have outside. They have these massive fiddles, you guys, for $60. They're 120, but they're 50% off. Oh my god. And they got some really good stuff inside as well. I'm really tempted on getting one of these. Tempted. Cute. You guys, oh my god. There's so many plants that I don't even know where to start. Like, oh my god. They literally, like, they have so many stuff right now. Ew. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Pero mira, red amaranthus from Life Trends. These beautiful hanging pots are for $17. A lovely green heartleaf philodendron for $17. Looks really good, to be honest. This really cute pothos enjoy. So stunning. And then they have a golden pothos. Like, look at that. Love it. And then they have a red maranta. Looks so good. I like it. Really cute. And then they have another beautiful golden pothos. And some other stuff para acá. They have a bunch of African violets. I'm gonna get one for y'all to show you. Beautiful purple flowers. From what I've been told, the leaves don't like to have water on them. But to water these guys is with a self-watering pot for $28. Really cute. And then these nice looking lucky bamboos, which are so nice. And these are for $29. That's not bad. Look, it's not glued. Thank God. They're starting to listen to us. That's amazing. Wait, you guys, they're not glued anymore. Oh my god, good job to this company. But like, this is really nice. And these two, oh my god, look at this one. Wait, because I low-key want to get one. Oh my god. It's so lush and so healthy, and each stem looks amazing. It's not glued. Love the color of the pot. Amazing. I'll do a quick overview for y'all over this plantitas. And then over here we have some more Life Trends. We got a really nice looking micans for $17. I like the pot a lot. It's really cool. Another green philodendron. And then another micans. Cute. I love this basket. It needs water though. The golden pothos, pobrecito. Another nice looking golden pothos and another green heartleaf philodendron on the back, which out of all of them looks really healthy. I mean, it needs water, but it's super big. Oh my god, look at this one. Really cool looking pots for $16 with some decor moss, fake moss. Beautiful Johnsina. These cute little pileas. Like the center is like really transparent. $14. These cute little aloes. super cute. lava. And then they have this nice looking golden potos for 15. See, this is a self-watering pot. It has like a little wick that absorbs the water. So whenever it's dry, the plant gets the water from the little cash pot. A nice looking money tree. 19. Some decor pieces. Air plants with some cute little containers. A cute little bonsai. I love the gold ring, but this is like $19. Kind of pricey. We got more acá abajo. And then over here as well, they have some different nice pots. This one's really, really cool. Oh my god, $32. And then they have this other fiddle. And where's the 27? Really cute looking Drancina for $27.98. And then some money trees and beautiful snake plants that look so good. They have some nice looking peperonias. You guys, this is like so freaking cool. Like, I'm really tempted on taking it, but I don't know. Alocasias are kind of scary with me. But it looks really good. There's like a dying leaf, but that's normal. And then for 19 with this really cool pot. Like, that's insane. These beautiful desert rose, I believe, or the one like you write on the leaf, for a really good price as well. An adorable bird's nest fern. Some Syngonians. These are $13.98. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, they have some more alocasias for $13.98. These really cute snake plants. A tiny fiddle, some Drancinas. I believe this is called a blue fern. These always die on me, but it's really, really beautiful. They also have some more green heartleaf philodendrons, as they should. Like, those are amazing for beginners. Really fun to propagate. They do amazing in our indoor conditions. Like, they just do great inside, to be honest. And they give you that jungle vibe, which we all want, pretty sure. This is a really cool looking alocasia. Mine's not doing so good. Ooh, look at this pot. I always love looking at their pots, which is what I love about this company. They always give me something different, and I've never seen like a little tiny pot on like with a fiddle. Like, isn't this so cute? Like, I would buy this. And then on top we have another Drancina twister, which is so freaking cool. And they're the same size, just different colors, and these are for $23. Look at this philodendron. Like, I want to get one of these. I don't have one, surprisingly. These are really common, but they're just so cool, and they look amazing. And then some variegated Scheffleras, $13.98, also known as umbrella plant. Really, really cute. I've seen these like in Texas, like, I mean, where I live, San Antonio, Texas, as like bushes outside. It's pretty cool. I see like a basic green Drancina, which is beautiful. I love it. I know some people get triggered over me calling things basic, but when I mean basic, I mean like they're easy to find. So I guess I'll say that instead. I feel like they had more plants, but everything got picked out, as it should. Some green hardy philodendrons for $29. And by the way, I will be going to one of my local nurseries very soon to see what they have. Oh my god, look at these. Damn. Oh my god, that's so cool. I feel like this is expensive. Yeah, $37.98. Damn. Look at this. Like the little, oh my god. It was like on the side. Thank god nothing broke. Because I need to buy it. See, it was this one that fell off. It's okay. Thank God. Okay, but I love the little decor pieces. There's a baby coming through. A money tree. And cute pot from Life Trends for $27. Some more goodies. Like, they have so many stuff, you guys. Like, oh my god. They have a lot of these right now. Look at this snake plant. Looks really, really nice. Okay, what else do they have? They have these beautiful Chinese money plants for $29. Like, low-key, you guys, I would so buy that fiddle that's outside right now, as well as alocasia. And I'm still debating on it, but like, I have some plants in the apartment that are not being taken care of right now, and I should probably, like, you know, take care of the plants that I have right now before I buy new ones. Let's see how how long I can keep that mentality. I'm working on it. I guess the first step is like, you're aware. Damn, this cute peace lily. Honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, wouldn't it be so cute to like have one of these massive like arrangements in your house? Like, ooh, call me crazy, but I like that idea. Really, really fun stuff. These beautiful Sansevierias are adorable for $17. We love them. And then look at these nice looking ficuses. Let me go show y'all. Going slow so I don't get y'all dizzy. They still have it. Beautiful snake plants for $80. I've never seen this one before, and it's I'm like, my body's like heating up right now. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And then look at these, a little bit damaged. When these get on clearance, girl, I'm gonna run. They'll be $40. So cute, so cute, so cute. Look at that. I said that when I literally just said that I shouldn't be buying plants. And where's the tag? Usually like they'll be on the stickers, but I guess lo quitaron. Okay. And then we have some other goodies para acá. Nice looking different baquias. Look at these beautiful bird's nest ferns. They look so lush and full. Like, look at that. That's cute. And these are for $15, and they have a self-watering pot, which is amazing. Let me just back up to show you. Like, I'm just so in love with how healthy everything looks. Damn, look at those yuccas. They're so long. Damn, look at this ponytail. Oh my lord. Where is that tag? $40. $40. Wow. I love it. They have some beautiful African violets. Cute little Fritonia. Oh my god, look at these different baquias. They're $20. And some monsteras. Really nice foliage. I have some massive bird nests bird of paradise as well. I think it's for $60. $16. That's so good. Oh, look at this different backyard. Isn't that so cool? And it is for also $20. We have some orchids as well. Alrighty, plenty friends, the ending was a little bit like cut and a little bit weird. It's because like I was getting stared at, so I had to end the video. You know, I had to end it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. The video had so many amazing plants, and I will have the address in the description box below for y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Same positive advice to each and every single one of you guys. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.